Why is detaching so difficult? Hello everybody, my name is Chris Flippin and I'm here to help you find your happiness. Now, I was just out on location shooting my last video, and on my way home I was pondering a question that somebody had just asked me. One of my friends on Facebook had asked me, why is it so difficult to detach? And so while it's fresh in my mind, I wanted to discuss that with everyone because I think this is a really good way of being able to figure out how to, why it's so difficult and how we can start doing that. So I think the thing that makes it so difficult to detach is because we get stuck on the emotions that we felt from a particular person. So when you think about it, when you break it down, it's really it's difficult to detach from a person because of the emotions. They made us feel so good, right? And that's what makes it so difficult to let that particular person go. But like I was just saying, when you break it down and realize that it's not really that person that you're holding on to, it's the emotions, it's that love, that joy, that happiness that particular person made you feel. So when we understand this, we can start to realize that it's not necessarily that person, it's the emotions. And we have to realize that that person is not the only one out there out of the close to 7 billion people on this planet that can give us those emotions. So one of the things that I was explaining to her is that detachment doesn't mean that you are letting go of that person, okay? Because there's some people that are meant to be in our lives for a reason, and some other people that just pass through our lives and to teach us something, right? So I think when we realize that it's not necessarily the person, but it's those emotions, then we can start to let go of those that person that made us feel that way, right? So one of the things that I explained to her is that detachment isn't that you don't own anything, or that you have to be far away from everything and everybody. It just means that those things that you desire don't own or consume you, right? So when we start to understand that, it's okay to have these emotions, it's okay to have these feelings, but yet you can't let them be consuming you to where all you're doing all day long and every day is just worrying or thinking about that person or those emotions. So I hope this helped you guys out and helped you understand how you can really release the emotions or release from a particular person by understanding that it's the emotions, not the person, that you're actually holding on to. All right, everybody, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and please share this video with somebody that you think it might help, because we never know when the right words from the right person at the right time might help somebody find their happiness. Until next time, thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. I love you all. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.